Hot rod. 10 reasons why this 55 Chevy cost $500,000 to build. 10. Attention to detail. Powder-coated body and chassis. 9. Interior bling.hand. Form chrome stainless trim. 8. Useful features. Operational cowl induction feeds a billet air cleaner. 7. Top quality materials. Interior panels handmade from aluminum. 6. Hand-shaped bodywork. Inner fenders and firewall formed on a wooden buck. 5. Cool features. Self-opening fuel door on automated billet track. 4. Years of work. 5,000 hours of labor at $90 per hour. 3. Special wheels. Custom aluminum wheels cost $8,000. 2. Flawless look. Body panels flattened to reflect a waveless horizon line. 1. Unreal performance. 800 horsepower and RS chassis will outperform a new Lambo.